Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So we have talked about many apps, but today we are switching gears to talk about Feedly, one of the best RSS readers out there, for keeping up with all your favorite websites, blogs, and news sources in one place basically. So if you have ever found yourself bouncing between 20 different tabs, just to check if your favorite website have published anything new, Feedly is about to change your life. Instead of visiting each site basically individually, you add all their RSS feeds to Feedly and it pulls every new article into a single organized dashboard. It's like having a personal news assistant that delivers everything to you. But before you can start reading, you need to know how to add feeds. And Feedly offers several different ways to do it, from simple search to manual link injection to browser extension. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through all of this, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So you can easily search for sources in Feedly. For example, I just logged in, I can add content from here, tap on add content, type a name, a topic, or even paste a link. For websites, for Reddit, for newsletters. So make sure to follow the sources button in the left navigation basically here. Check whatever you want, education, design. For example, we have education. You can add by tapping this plus button and it will be saved. That's the whole idea. So thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next video.